If Japanese adjectives still scare you, stay with me. In this video, you will learn one simple pattern that makes I versus na adjective instantly clear. So by the end of this video, you can look at any adjective, classify it in seconds, and use it correctly with Desu without memorizing chart. Let's get started. In my way of thinking about Japanese, I split everything into two big families: nominal, people, things, places, and time; verbal, action or state. Adjectives are special words. They describe noun, but at the same time, they carry a state idea like big, quiet, famous, etc. Here's the key idea that unlocks everything. I-adjectives behave like mini verbs by themselves. Na-adjectives need a helper like na, da, or des to connect smoothly in the sentence. So instead of thinking two kinds of adjectives, think one type can stand alone. The other type needs connector. Watch how they attach to nouns. First, I-adjectives connect directly to the noun. Oki home, big book. Jizai inu, small dog. Atarashi kuruma, new car. You can see the I as part of the word itself. Oki, jizai, atarashi. The I is inside the adjective. It's not something extra you add. Next, na-adjectives need na before noun. Shizuka na toshokan, quiet library. Yume na hito, famous person. Benri na apuri, convenient apps. The core adjective words are Shizuka, Yume, and Benri. You add na to connect the adjective to the noun. So with noun, it's very simple. If the adjective already ends with I as part of the word, it's hook the noun directly. If the adjective doesn't end with I, it's usually need na as bridge before the noun. Now look at the sentence version before this. Here is where many learners finally feel the pattern. I-adjectives can stand right before this, no extra help. Kono hon wa oki desu. This book is big. Ano ino wa chisai desu. The dog is small. Na-adjectives also use this after the adjective word, but they don't need na here. Kono tosokan wa shizuka desu. This library is quiet. Ano hito wa yume desu. That person is famous. So the core pattern is this. Before noun, na-adjectives use na. Before this, na-adjectives don't use na. I-adjectives never need na. They are already complete. Let's create a second test you can use for any new adjective. First, look at the dictionary form. Does it end in I like oki, chisai, atarashi, and takai? Then it's probably an I-adjective. There are a few famous exceptions like kirei, but in general, this works very well. Second, test it in your brain in two slots. Imagine blank space, hong desu. Which one sounds natural? For example, oki hong desu feels natural. Oki na hong desu feels strange. So your ear says I-adjective. Shizuka na hong desu feels natural. Oki hong. Kono hong wa oki desu. This is an I-adjective. Shizuka na toshokan. Kono toshokan wa shizuka desu. This is a na-adjective. Yume na hito. Ano hito wa yume desu. This is a na-adjective. Atarashi kuruma. Kono kuruma wa atarashi desu. This is an I-adjective. If you got most of those right, your ear has already started to catch the pattern. That's your new secret formula in action. Here's your homework. In the comment, write 3 pairs. 1 I-adjective plus noun, and 1 full sentence with the I-adjective plus des. Then 1 na-adjective plus noun, and 1 full sentence with that na-adjective plus des. For example, oki hong desu and shizuka na toshokan desu. I will check your sentences and tell you if your I versus na usage is correct. If adjectives finally feel clearer right now, don't stop here. The real power comes when you combine this with particles. After this video, go watch my wa versus ga finally clear lesson. When you connect adjectives with the right particles, your Japanese sentences suddenly feel 10 times more logical and natural. Click that video next. Keep building your grammar maps, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.